Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
子
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
子子子儿子儿子他是我的儿子他是我的儿子子女子女父母疼爱自己的子女父母疼爱自己的子女孔子孔子孔子是中国古代圣人孔子是中国古代圣人
Now let's see how to write this character. The shape of this character is small and compact, and it should be written in the center. This character originally means baby or child, mainly referring to children and descendants. Later, it was also used to address people with knowledge and virtue. For example, Confucius, a sage in ancient China, was respectfully called by adding this character after his surname. It is one of the most important characters in traditional Chinese culture. Pay attention here when writing this character. It should be slightly curved. And here, this stroke needs to be longer. That's all for today. See you next class.